Phrases concerning gifts in Nigerian Pidgin English. The first one we're going to look at is giving someone a gift. What are some phrases that you will use to say that? I buy you small thing. Na surprise. I hope say you like am. I think you go like am. Oya na, open am. You like am? If you no like am, I fit change am for you. When I see am, I think of you. This go make you remember me. I happy say you like am. Now getting the gift. I love surprise. I hate surprise. I fit open am. Oh yeah now, you do well. It dey very nice of you. You for no worry. You no suppose worry. I dey sorry. I no fit accept this. This dey too much oh. Na very nice gift. You do well. That's it for now. See you in my next video. Bye for now.